I'll be showing you how to install our new siding. Now what you want to do is lift your sheet in place and put in one nail. Then you can go ahead and put in a nail on the other side, and this is going to hold your sheet in place so that you can get it lined up. When you get your sheet in place, go ahead and step back and take a look at it. What you're looking for is that those grooves in the sheet line up with the grooves on the top. After you've positioned your sheet where you want it, go ahead and nail it in. Make sure you're nailing where the studs are so it will securely hold your sheet. Go ahead and continue this for the rest of the sheets. When you're nailing two separate sheets together, you want to make sure that the bottom of each sheet line up with each other. Once we have all of our sheets up on the side of our house, we're ready to move on to the next step.